Take a moment to relax, take a deep breath, slowly exhale. And another deep breath. And as you exhale, feel yourself becoming more and more comfortable, more and more relaxed, more and more at ease. We've talked about some troubling things this morning, but that is not meant to discourage us or turn us back, but rather it is to create within us a desire for change that is fueled with emotion. The beginning of every undertaking begins with desire, the strength of that desire, and the emotional charge of that desire. Our desire this morning, let it be, there'll come a time where taking the life of another person is not an option in the consciousness of a human being. Where health care is provided for all people and it meets the highest possible standards. And where our environment is healthy and whole. Where you're awakened to the idea, the fact that the earth is truly our mother. Everything you see, everything you are, everything around you is from the earth. And just as we wouldn't go to our mother's house or our grandmother's house and throw litter on the floor or smoke it up or spill oil someplace, we hold the vision where that will not be an option for people, will not be a consideration or even the slightest thought. That everybody treats the earth with love, adoration, and service to keep it healthy. With these visions, I invite you to go into the silence. Think about your life, your values, the future you'd like to see. And then take yourself there. Take yourself to the future, whatever it might be. And let it bring a smile to your face because you see the changes that we were looking at today and that we're calling for have manifested in the silence. Slowly begin to come back to this time, this place. And as you do so, feel yourself with a great sense of hope and confidence that we can move forward and solve the problems we face. And in this moment, we thank God. We don't ask God for anything. We thank God for giving us everything we need. We have it already to move forward and accomplish that which we desire. And so it is.
We are God's work of art, fashioned to shine with goodness and light, as it was from the start, formed by this great love. We are God's great wondrous work of art. Bless the beast and the children, for in this world they have no voice. They have no choice. Bless the beast and the children, for the world can never be the world they see. Light their way when the darkness surrounds them. Give them love, let it shine all around them. Bless the beast and the children, give them shelter from a storm. Keep them safe. Keep them warm. Light their way when the darkness surrounds them. Give them love, let it shine all around them. Bless the beast